Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejelau bakmi ya ketenat korbari Kejelau bak Prestone tensong haka kandu terik unu apra arhajar apsau ulapan pawe ke Kyrshan ke Bapura ke senjam dan sarkar pedeng banwara ya kawai ke election lane one nation one election. Kani ke senjam ke sarkar pedeng ketemu ban penlong haka jok ke election Lok Sabha bat ke election ki yang darbar tawaan Kejelau bat an penbuat ke municipal election bat panchayat ke banlong hapok sispa seni. Kani kejeng terwa kabla menjur ke kenhun menteri ke sarkar pedang ha katayo ke balala kadai kabla pensyong nongrem halor kejeng ai jengmut jeng high level committee lailam do presiden barim kari uramnat Kovin kabla dep ban IT ke kaipot ke babnya halor kene kam ha bapen pa we kejeng sngo jeng halor kene kam uba Prestone tensong ubadai state president ke NPP ulong ba on omla ban jubab na kebentang keseng ulong ba kejeng sngo jeng ushimet hi kalong bokwa bani iya ke election bahkan long tang sisien arsian na laisien na kadai ke election MP ne ke election MLA namar la da kenya ke jingba me kapor na ke jing trekam ka model code of conduct ka slam palat Chosho uba Prestone tensong ulong bala dan tang kawai ke election ani i bala tengkaya shibuan kapor bat lese kala menlong tang arbanai ne lai benai ulong ba ka model code of conduct ka trekam duna e sop sansngi uang bala dan art league election gamot kan tambet ya kesopasan sengi bad ondo e kejeng terekam kom ta ukwa bandan no tang ya kawai ke election
One nation, one election. I think I will not reply on behalf of the party. My personal opinion, number one is my personal opinion. I would like to see that the election is held once, okay, not twice or thrice, be it MP or be it MLA. Otherwise, if you calculate the time consumption that we have, especially in terms of model code of conduct, is so much. So if we have one election, I would see that we save a lot of time. Yes, maybe for 2 months or 3 months continuously, but after that, in 5 years, only 2 or 3 months we have the model code of conduct. But if we have 2 or 3 elections, you understand, the model code of conduct minimum is 45 days. If we have 2 elections, 45, how many? So my personal opinion is, I would prefer, if it can be done, if it is feasible, that election, one nation, is preferable for me.